Now in today's video, I want to talk to you about this language exercise proposed by language lords, whereby you get in front of the camera and you tell a story in your target language, and you keep doing that until you get better telling that story. I'm gonna be the Mandarin master one day. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mufa, and this is the place where I'm documenting everything that I'm doing to become a master at Mandarin Chinese. Now in today's video, I want to talk to you about this project that I told you about in my previous one, this language exercise proposed by language lords, whereby you get in front of the camera and you tell a story in your target language, and you keep doing that until you get better telling that story. So if you want to know about this technique or just kind of understand like what the exercise is all about, I recommend checking out this video of his, or you can check out mine, whereby I'm kind of just summarizing his technique, but I think he explains it much better. So anyway guys, so my experience with this exercise, okay, I started this exercise on Monday. I'm recording this on Tuesday. Let me see, where's the so I started this technique on 17th January, and till now it's been a little over a week because it was last Monday and right now it's Tuesday, and you guys will probably see this video tomorrow, okay? So the first thing that I noticed is that it's well, there are a couple of things that I noticed. One of the things that I want to talk about is how hard this actually is. Until now, like you guys, like I've posted many level ups on my channel, whereby I would just go out to people and try to have a conversation. And I would say like that's easy to do because you have something to work with, like the people around you and the things around you that you may know how to say in Chinese, and you can just ask questions about things. So I feel like that feels more natural to me and more easy to me because I have so many props and things. Basically the point that I'm trying to make is that like speaking for 5 minutes straight is hard. It's not easy. Words would just not come out. Certain things that I wanted to say and I just didn't know how to say it, like what's the right way to say it? Am I using the right expression? Is this like, do people actually speak this way? So yeah, I had all those things going on in my mind, but I gave my best shot. So I'm just gonna like, bring some few segments of my first recording. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I don't know how the transition is gonna be, but 大家好，大家好。今天我想告诉你们一个故事。这个故事，大家好，大家好。今天我想告诉你一个故事。大家好，大家好，你好，朋友们。今天我想告诉你一个故事。是小时候的故事。你知道我的故事是我的我的小时候的故事。你知道我的宗教是伊斯兰教，所以参观清真寺时，我的 community 我的 community 我所有人我穿一个一样的 clothes， 大概是12岁吧。你知道我的宗教是所以参观清真寺时，所以参观清真寺时，这件衣服让大家看起来很像。就是说
就是说，特别是如果你的眼睛不好。
Also, another thing that I'm noticing is that as I'm getting better at saying this story, I don't think I'm gonna be speaking for 5 minutes, because like if you get better at telling the story, like you aren't posing that much, you know the words, how to express a certain idea. And all of that. So the story time will certainly get shorter, but I don't mind. I don't think that's an issue because at this point, I'm not really being careful about how much time that is, as long as I'm expressing the story with all of its fullness. Another thing is time, guys. Like it's so hard to put in this hours, especially if you're coming back from work and you're already like, I love listening, like because I think it's an easy way for me to engage and feel that I'm part of this language, and I'm learning something. It's a very easy way for me to study, like just listen to it, do some memorize cards, like so all these things are fun. Watching Mandarin Corner, it's fun, like I'm listening and I'm also learning that way. But this was like a very active exercise. It honestly required me way more energy than I thought it would. So yeah, guys, I mean, so with that said, I'm also gonna be honest, like I haven't been like studying for all of the days. My first day I did sit in front of the camera and recorded myself, but on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I didn't really have time. I think I did a little bit of recording on Thursday and Friday, and then I had a little bit of time on Sunday where I think I did a lot of work, so all the things that I needed to change or that didn't sound right, I adjusted all of that. I'm still not even through with the whole story, to be honest. I'm just like halfway through. And the way I'm doing it is that, I know what the story is now, so I've kind of like, I've typed it out, all of it, on my notes app. So even if I'm at work or anywhere for that matter, I can just go through my notes app and kind of like still help myself recall the story and try to practice it, regardless of where I am. But the way I see that all of this will play out is that I think it's definitely going to take me at least a month to get really good telling this story. And I'm okay with that. I really can't wait to reach that end point whereby I can actually say this story in a very relaxed manner, regardless of if someone interrupts me. I want to be able to pick up the story from where I left off and still be able to continue and get to the end. Like that's how comfortable I want to get with this story. So I feel like like he had really quick results whereby he claimed like to reach a significant amount level of fluency within just like 30 to 40 days. And I feel like that, hey, if I can do it within that period of time, if I can even get to that level within a year. So let's say this year I just kind of put this practice into my routine, whereby I'm practicing how to tell all the stories. And by the end of the year, like there are about maybe 5 to 6 different stories that I can tell. Like that would still be very amazing. I think that still will lead to a lot of improvement as far as my conversational skills are concerned. So I don't know, guys, what you think about everything that I've shared with you. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to leave me a thumbs up so the gods of the YouTube algorithm know to spread this video to all the other people who are learning Mandarin Chinese. This is it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.